Most of us think creating apps by ourselves is a facade. No, it's not anymore. Do you know that Codex on ChatGPT can create apps for you? And Claude itself can create apps for you, even the free version. Let me show you how you can do that. There was a time the first site I got to see all of this is called Replit. And I looked at it, it was so complex and I felt I can never create an app by myself. Well, that's not true. Do you know that Codex on ChatGPT can create apps for you? And Claude itself can create apps for you, even the free version. Of course, there are limitations and there are limits to the use you can put into it. But still, you can create some little apps for yourself that will make your work or your business easy. Your bookkeeping, you can create an app for it where you put your money and what you're spending and you enter it like that. And it's taking it from where you're entering it just like that into a spreadsheet. And it is giving you analysis based on your sales and everything you are doing. And you'll be shocked because it's something you created. You can put all the inputs you wanted or all the inputs you want. Maybe the other app you saw did not put something, then you had it one after the other. Let me show you how you can do that. You go to ChatGPT. Okay, let's go to Codex or Claude. We can pick anyone and tell it, I'm a retailer, I have a store. I sell clothes and shoes. I want you to make a form for me on how much shoes that we bought and how much we bought them and the day we bought them. And I want you to keep it in that app. As we'll be entering, you will create for me another column or another input box where I'll be inputting the things I sell per day. And you'll be removing it from the stock I entered. And you tell it to create that app for you. So each time you put in the stock, it will register the stock for you. This is how much shoes you put in, how much shirt, how much jeans, how much dresses. It's there. And when you're selling, and in the night you tell it, give me the balance of stock. This guy will come and tell you that, okay, this is how much you have sold today. If that is correct with what you have sold, this is how much stock you have left. And this is the amount you bought in stock. This is the amount you sold. That means today you have made this profit. You've made this total number of, this total amount of money, but this is the profit you have made. A simple app. It will blow your mind. There are so many things you can do. Just think of it. See what I just did now. You see, it's simple. It's not a big deal. And Claude created it in less than 5 minutes. Except for some questions it will ask you. Claude will create it. Codex will create it for you. And you have it on your system. Just click the HTML and it brings it for you. No coding needed. No IT basics, nothing. You are just a businessman trying to make sure your business is working. That's number one. Okay, let's go to people that are content creators. I did something very interesting. I'm going to show you it's a secret. I created a teleprompter for myself. What is a teleprompter? Those things that pops your message up on the screen and they scroll up by themselves automatically as you are reading it, so that you don't touch your mouse or you don't touch anything. It rolls on your screen. I just thought about how I'm presenting my content and I need to be saying the point so that I can remember what to say. So I created it for myself. I just say, create a teleprompter for me, do this. And it gave me option. Can I put this? Can I put this? It's like you're cooking soup and you have a world-class chef that is telling you, do you want to put this? You want to put seafood? You want to put snail? You want to put this? I want to put this. I said yes. And I input all of it. And that is what I'm using to do all my videos. Even now, that is what I'm using to see my point so that I can follow it up as I'm doing the video with you. Now, number 3, let's say you own a school and you want to have a database for the student and their results, where you can keep them. All you have to do is very simple. Just tell ChatGPT or Claude, I own a school and each level from this grade 1 to grade 6, we have this amount of students. I want you to put them in a class on the app and I know all the students in the app class. I want you to create a single portal for each of the students where we can keep their results every time so that we can compare and know what they are doing. Just say it exactly as I said it. It's simple. All these ones don't need APIs and keys and all of that. They are just simple things on your system that you can just press enter whatever you enter. You want to enter and you're fine. Simple apps. I created an app to handle, of course, it's not in the finishing stage, but I just told ChatGPT, I said, ChatGPT, the videos I make, sometimes I don't like the way my voice sound because of the background noise. Can you make an app for me that will clear background noise? He said he can't make it perfectly, but he can do something that will reduce the noise. I did it for me. I said, whoa, I clicked it. All he has to do is tell me plus, put in your the MP3 you have, and I put it inside, and it gives me back the result. It's not duly perfect like a professional one, but it has done the job I wanted to do. So who told you can't create apps? Yes, you can. Everybody can. It depends on what you want. Just listen to yourself and look at the problem you are facing recently and type it. Simple prompt. Of course, I know building a standard app requires a lot. It will take you months. I build apps too. It takes me months. Standard apps. But for simple ones you want to use every day, you can create them and it works. I'll show you an example. And it works for everything. Okay, let's talk about this app that's on my mind that I want to build. It's an experiment for you. Even if it is not your field, you can try it. But if you're a fashion designer, go and do this now. What I want to do is I'll tell Claude, I want to build an app that will give me new styles, African parlance, beautiful embroidery and native dress for Africans. Maybe especially Nigerians, because I'm tired of the styles I used to see. I want to have bespoke styles, new styles. So what I'm going to do is when I tell it that, and I will tell it that this is what I want to do, I will feed you with about 200 styles online. Just go to Pinterest, pick all the natives you can find around it and online, Bella Niger and all of that. Crop all those pictures one after the other, put it into Claude. Make sure it's about 500. You can put 10 on a single page so that you won't exhaust your limit, your chat limit. Put 10 on a page. You can put 100 at first. Now, this is the prompt you will tell it next. With all these styles I've fed you with, I need you to generate about 50 or 30 or 10 new styles that looks like this one in terms of the themes. Gentlemen and ladies, you will be surprised. It will give you new styles, things you've never seen before, just by combining the common senses behind all the designs you have fed it with. It will come out with something new, something you've never seen before. And that is what we call genius. Genius is no more going to school. Genius is knowing how to use AI exactly for what you need it for. This is a short one. I just want to give you this because I know it will be very useful for you. If you have tried it, tell me in the comments. And if there's any other business you think we can build and have for, let's do a challenge. Tell me that business, because some people will tell me there's a business you can't use ChatGPT for, you can't use AI for. I'll believe you if you win me on it. So in the comment section, visit and put the difficult business you think we cannot provide AI solution or machine learning to. I'll wait for the comment section to start blowing out and we'll start a challenge and I'm going to answer you in the next video. Thank you so much. Go and build something. See you on the next one.